In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. So today's topic we are going to learn asking the time to exercise 1 to 4. If you have not watched the previous video, then you can watch my previous video asking the time part 1, part 2. Then you can watch this video, then it will be more crystal clear to understand. So without wasting our time, let's start. Exercise 1. Sentence is, I don't have my watch on right now. So in this sentence, we can notice here watch. Instead of watch, we can use many different words and vocabs such as coat, hat, shoes, sweater, wristwatch. How we will use this word in sentence? Let us see. Coat. I don't have my coat on right now. Next word is hat. I don't have my hat on right now. Next word is shoes. In sentence, I don't have my shoes on right now. Next word, sweater. In sentence, I don't have my sweater on right now. Next word is wristwatch. In sentence, I don't have my wristwatch on right now. Second example and sentence is there a clock around here? So instead of around here, we can use different words and vocabs such as in this room, in the other room, in this building, on the table, on the wall, near this room. How we will use these words in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number one word is in this room. Sentence will be like this. Is there a clock in this room? Next word is in the other room. Sentence will be like this. Is there a clock in the other room? Next word, in this building. In sentence, is there a clock in this building? Next word, on the table. In sentence, is there a clock on the table? Next word, on the wall. In sentence, is there a clock on the wall? Next word, near this room. In sentence, is there a clock near this room? Exercise 3. Sentence is there a clock around here? In this sentence, we can notice here clock around here. We can use different words instead of using this word. Let us see with example. A big clock, an electric clock, a wall clock, any clocks, any wall clocks. We can use these words in sentence like this. Let us see one by one. A big clock. Is there a big clock around here? Next word is an electric clock. In sentence, is there an electric clock around here? Next word is a wall clock. In sentence, is there a wall clock around here? Next word is any clocks. Are there any clocks around here? Next word is any wall clocks. In sentence, are there any wall clocks around here? Exercise 4. Sentence is there a clock around here? In this sentence also we can notice here around here. Instead of around here, we can use different words and vocabs such as in the other room, electric, in this building, clocks, any, around here. How we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. In the other room, is there a clock in the other room? Next word is electric. In sentence, is there an electric clock in the other room? Next word is in this building. In sentence, is there an electric clock in this building? Next word, clocks. In sentence, are there electric clocks in this building? Next word is any. In sentence, are there any electric clocks in this building? Next word is around here. In sentence, are there any electric clocks around here? I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.